Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating in a collaboration that is hosted by two beautiful ladies, Inspired Living with Kristi and Sherri of Pretty.Simple Sherri. They are hosting the Something for All Seasons Spring Clean with Me collaboration. And this is an open invite. All they wanted us to do is to show some spring cleaning and include a few tips, tricks, and hacks. So let's get started. I am in my living room. I'm cleaning my entire living room. But the main focus that I want to concentrate on is this large set of bookcases. Guys, my tip when cleaning, period, in any space is to clean from top to bottom and from left to right or right to left. That way you will not miss a thing. So we're just gonna jump right in and you can watch me as I clean, and I hope this motivates you to get up and get moving. Now guys, the fun, right? This looks awesome on camera. Everybody loved, well, I'm not gonna say everybody loved it because I had a few that did not like it, but I love it. My family loves it, and that's all that matters. But the not so fun about having this is the dusting. I'm gonna take everything off, get it dusted. I don't know if I'm gonna set this back up like this. Probably will set it back up, and then when I pull my spring Easter decor out, may do a little something different here. But yeah, this is the not so fun part of having this. My plan was, well, the original plan was to try these bookcases out. They're Walmart bookcases, like $27 for each bookcase, and see how I like something as a focal point right here, a bookcase as a focal point. And if I like it, maybe get some built-ins put in. I'm still unsure if I want to do that or not. I know for a fact I do not want a fireplace here because we very seldom, I come in here and sit in here when I need a moment. But as far as really using this space, it only really gets used when we have guests, a lot of guests, when they want to just mingle around the area here. But yeah. So I'm still undecided about getting built-ins here. Definitely will not be a fireplace if I do. But I do like these. I might just add molding to these, who knows. But right now, let me stop procrastinating and get this all cleared off and get it cleaned, dusted, things put back on here. Also, let me say this before I go on. I kind of use this as a store a little bit too. Storage, store. If I want to do like a vignette, I can go on here and say, I can go on here and say I can use this piece, pull it, put it in the vignette. When I'm done, put it back. So that's what I love about this too. I have shifted it some because I can see it is offline. I shifted it a little bit this way, so I need to adjust it as well. But let me get started. Something I thrifted, the majority of the pieces on here, I think are pretty much thrifted. So I left this blank so I could put some spring florals in it. I'm moving everything to my dining room table because it is empty right now. And I am going to need my step ladder to get the top. Now I don't know about you all, but I do watch videos and I'm like, okay, I have to be comfortable when I clean. So I do not dress up to clean. This is real life. I put on something comfortable where I can bend and stoop and everything else. Alright. I do have a bin down there that says blessed that I will keep down there, because I do have some coastal items down there. I don't know if I'm going coastal again in here. So I'll keep that down there. Let me dust off these items here and put them back up. Now I do try to mimic as close as I can each side or each shelf to make it a little uniform. Guys, I love these domes. Oh boy, beautiful. And I already see something I want to switch out, so I'm going to place my globe there. And I'm going to move this over. And I'm going to go find, I don't even remember what I had there last year. Go find something white for right there. So I'll leave that blank as well. So that is done. So I have two spots I'm going to work with. Just decided to work in here today. I'm going to take my home room by room and get it done. And this is the box that my mom, the angel box that my mom gave me. And this is filled with ornaments and different things of the family. And that bottom of this bookcase, I'll get down there later. I won't show you that on camera. I got to sit down there and do that. I have different candlesticks, clear candlesticks down there. I love collecting these of all shapes and sizes. And like I said, that's my store. I can go there when I want to use them and put them out on display. And I know all of them are down there. So I'll get down there later and do that, as well as the top. This was also a thrifted find, this cloche with the different balls in them. Isn't that cute? I'm very shocked as to how many cloches, and you would be surprised too, how many cloches you have or you own. I'm gonna put this here for now, but don't know if it will stay because I do have something upstairs that can go there. Don't make much sense to put a floral in a floral, right? So for now, I put that over there. And my favorite picture of my hubby and I right now. And it is a Christmas picture, but I don't care. I love it. I'll get that bottom. Woo! Hot, hot, hot. Start removing the next one. Keep trucking along, guys. This was a thrifted find from Home Goods, y'all. Regular price $39.99, and I think I paid like $7 for it. Last bookcase, yay! And the bottom shelves, of course. Put this picture back up of my family at our old house. I think that was 4th of July. And we had a cookout. We had a pool at that old house. And we lined all the family up to take that picture there. Do I miss the pool? No. Oh, I can't swim, so do miss the fountain on the pool. That was calming to me, listening to the waterfall. I can probably count on my hands how many times I got in the pool or stuck my feet in. Yeah, I paid, because I kept the price tag on it, I paid $7.99 for this, guys. I need to bring my ladder out, clean the top, clean these 2 shelves here, and then I'm done with the bookcase. Now I would highly suggest, and that's what I usually do, I start from the top and work my way down, alright? Start from the top, dust off, let the dust fall down and work your way down. But I'm being different today. But not much is up here because I did do this a couple of weeks ago. Now, as far as spring cleaning, if you do a little bit a day or a little bit every week, your spring cleaning will not be that difficult. Alright? If you stay on top of your chores, and I have found too, when you don't have so many tchotchkes or what I call knickknacks you have to dust, you will be fine. Actually, this is way better than what I used to have. I used to have a whole lot of tchotchkes. This is good. This is mild compared to what I used to have. I've done the bottom here. Oh, and it smells so good in here, and I have not even vacuumed or mopped just because of this can. this Swiffer can right here. And I will definitely be going to the store to pick up 2 more cans. So the bookcase is done. I need to adjust it a little bit. I think what's throwing it off, I do have a plug back there that's throwing it off. But it's ready for me to decorate for spring, so that's what I love. That's what I'm doing right now. Getting it cleaned up, getting all the Valentine sprinkles, glitter, cleaned up, so this room is ready to be decorated for spring. I would like to thank Kristi and Sherri for this opportunity to share some tips with you. I had so much fun participating in this collaboration. I will have their links to their channels listed in my description box below, as well as an awesome playlist with some beautiful ladies that are participating in this collab. You will gain so many tips and tricks to use in your own home by sitting back and enjoying this playlist. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.